So this is the finished look on this pretty unit right here. I absolutely love this entire look. You guys can see me coming to life with this dark hair. So this hair, guys, was sent to me from Premierlacewigs.com. This is the Invisible HD Transparent Lace. It's a 6-inch lace frontal wig. Now this one has 100% cuticle aligned virgin hair. All the knots are single knots, and it's a wet and wavy style. So this length is 22 inches and it's 180% density, which is considered thick. This is a medium cap size, which is a medium to average cap size. This unit did come with a pre-plucked hairline, but you guys did see that I went in and just made it even more pre-plucked just to snatch my edges up. Now with this one, it is pre-plucked and it did come with pre-added removable elastic band. Now this unit for me is what I like to call a complete unit, because this one was glueless. I didn't have to add the Got2b glue I did to it, just because when I did adjust the strap, this one fit my head very perfect, ear to ear. So guys, this is a super nice wig, guys. I don't even know what to say. Like, I feel like the curl pattern and everything, and just to let you guys know, I did co-wash this overnight before coming and doing this hair review. So this is the hair co-wash with a little bit of Cantu leave-in conditioner. So this is what the hair looks like. It's super buff. I will turn around and show you guys what the back looks like. Obviously, the curl pattern on this one is kind of like that nice soft curl look, and the fact that it's 180% density and it's super buff with purpose, I absolutely love this hair. Like, the front, everything about it. I did go ahead and use the Sally Hansen spray on the inner cap for this one, but I didn't feel like that one did as much to the cap, so I did have to go in and add some of my Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder and 360 coconut just to kind of top me off right here a little bit. But I do feel like the hairline looks super realistic. The lace on this one is very thin. It's not thick, and it definitely just melts into my skin, which makes it look very, very realistic and transparent. Hence, that is a transparent HD lace. So I do think that this unit is definitely A1. 22 inches long. It could, honestly, I feel like it's about like a 24, to be honest. It's very, very long, and I like the fact that it's curly with purpose, guys. You guys can see that it's just super nice all the way through, especially like, look at right here. Look at how nice and curly it is here. And the ends aren't too thin, which is my biggest pet peeve. I hate when curly hair is like super curly and nice at the root, and then you get like this really stringy, stringy curl at the bottom. But this one doesn't do that, which is excellent. So that's another reason why I'm definitely going to be rocking this for the rest of the summer. I love it. It has a great amount of parting space, 6 inches, so you can do like a lot of work with it. I try to show you guys as much of the parting space with this little curvature I did right here, so you guys can see how open it is. It's just really pretty, and even if the wind hits me like the fucked up way, I'm still gonna look popping. So guys, I will leave all the information down below in regards to this unit and a coupon code, so you can go ahead and save yourself some coins. Premierlacewigs has definitely improved their wigs, so it's definitely something to look into if you're trying to save some money. You don't want to go up in the $1,000 kind of wig spectrum. So this is definitely something affordable to look into, guys. So I'll leave all the information down below per usual, but do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family people. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.